we go.
Didn't think you would ever believe